I'm gonna use this one. Let's see, the Love Potions is a little bit darker, so I am going to use it with probably this. And then First Love, I'm gonna use it with Mojito. So it doesn't matter whatever color you pick, you will never go wrong with it. All right, so then I'm going to using the acrylic brush number 12. You see me using between like 12, 10, and 14. It's really depend. The smaller size of the brush, which is that you have a less of the hair on your bristles. So it depends on the size of the nails. If you're doing an extra long nails, I would suggest using a number 14. 12, 14 is good. It doesn't matter. You can do 10, number 10, and you still do it for really nice and long nails. So it's really depend on your preference. So submerging my bristle into the monomer, and then we are going to do this color first, the Mojito. Here is come. We're gonna submerging in the monomers and pick up a smaller beads of the Mojito. And I'm gonna just like really thin coat. It's not necessary. It's really pigmented. I love that how it get the glitter. Also had the pigment is so beautiful as well. Okay, just use a little, like I using probably about medium beads, and then I using the belly of bristles and then guide it along with the nails, because we're gonna do like about half of the nails, like 50% of the nails. And then we are going to submerging my bristle back into the monomers, and I am go ahead and pick up the First Love smaller beads and place right above of the Mojito, that way we just finished. Place it in, give it just a second to let it set, and then using the belly of the bristle and blend it. I'm really excited because this one I want to do some foil on this as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up another beads, clean my bristles, and then submerging into the monomer, pick up the second beads. And hey, if you like it, when you start getting a hang of this and you're really comfortable with this, you can do 1 bead, 2 beads, however you would like and however you prefer. Okay, so really gentle. You don't have to like really go aggressive and drag them too hard. Blend it gently. It's so beautiful already. I'm just adding just a little bit and blend it down. Just always really gently. You don't have to go really aggressive, and pat is going to do most of the work. The gravity do most of the work for you. Something thick on this. And now I'm happy with this. We are going to using a crystal clear and cap this beautiful ombre. And so important, you want to cap, you cap it right where your ombre is, right here. So then that way, when you are going to file and shape it, it will not going to taking away your ombre design. Till the nails down to let gravities all do all the work for you. Only you need to do is just guide your beads along with the nails and taper it in the center. Okay. And you just treat your powders like really gently. You don't have to like pat, 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 because that needs like completely a time for it to setting. All right. Happy with this? We're gonna let this beauty is gear for not on under the lights, it's just air dry. And then by the time you finish all 10 nails or like holds 5 nails and you move on the next one, and this one will have time to set. So let's